Hi friends, welcome to CSV Yummy Recipes. Today I am going to share the recipe of Mexican burrito bowl. For this I am taking all the ingredients in a plate. For this I have taken the black beans, 1/4 cup of black beans, soaked it overnight and cooked. And I have taken half avocado, red chili salsa, and then sour cream. Now take a pan, heat 1 teaspoon olive oil, and then I'm adding onion and green bell pepper. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. Do not overcook them. Now I am taking the half avocado in a plate. And mash it with a fork. If you like avocado, you can take even some more. Even you can add much more avocado. Now I am taking all the vegetables in the serving plate. Iceberg lettuce, and then few black olives, soaked and boiled black beans. Now add the sweet corn to the bell pepper and onion. Saute it just for a minute. And then switch off the flame after a minute. Add it to the serving bowl. Next I am adding the mozzarella cheese and olive and jalapanos. Cheese. Next I am going to add red chili salsa and the sour cream. And finally I'm going to add rice. And it is served with the tortilla chips. And then mix well, and the Mexican veg burrito bowl is ready now.